FPV drones. They can be used to shoot videos of various scenarios. This is evidenced by the examples you see on the screen. And here's another example. And even like that. These drones are not tethered to GPS, and they require special goggles to control them, through which you can see what the drone sees. In addition, hardware is required, or in layman's terms, the remote. To learn to fly, you need to spend about 10 hours in a computer simulator. The funny thing about these simulators is that they're in the top 10. I, for example, have used elevators in a velocity drone. And that's just to understand the principle of governance itself. My name is Vova Kolsanov, and today I will tell you about my way of learning to fly FPV. And it's not going to be a tutorial on how to get started properly. This is purely my experience and my experiences. To start, I bought myself a Beta FPV Cetus Pro starter kit, which I need for training. Or you could just buy a Cetus, it's smaller but cheaper. Man, it's so small and light. That's a good thing, because it's definitely going to go down. And it's happened more than once. I went to school 6 months ago and the weather outside wasn't the best. So I was kind of trapped in the apartment and only had to fly in it, which led to even more falls. One propeller is out of order, but that's okay, we'll fix it. All it took was a simple disassembly and it works again. It's as good as new. Each drone has multiple modes. This quadrocopter has. There are 3 of them: normal, sport, manual. In normal mode, the drone flies very slowly and you have to press the stick hard for the drone to fly in any direction. In sport mode, the drone becomes much faster and more maneuverable. The sensitivity increases and you get a better feel for the drone. Personally, I think once you more or less feel the drone in normal mode, immediately switch to sport mode, as in sport it is more under control or something. Of course, it's harder to climb in sports. And finally, manual mode. In it you have full control over the drone and can do so-called flips and rolls. If in the previous modes the drone aligns the horizon by itself, in this mode no, you have to align yourself. That's what a simulator is for, to at least get some idea of the principle. But you'll still fall. Every flight is an adrenaline rush. It's very scary to crash somewhere because the speed is instantaneous. Basically, all training is about flying and flying and flying. Naturally fall, put the drone on the floor and fly again. It's quite dry outside now, so you can try flying outside the apartment. But first we have to charge it. Good thing it's only an hour. No. Well, what do you want? I think it was a good flight. And now home. But at some point you ask yourself the question, man, what's next? After all, Cetus is only needed for training. Yeah, this little thing can't shoot video. Even the glasses that come with it don't have a memory card slot. And then the question arises. Buy a ready-made FPV kit or buy everything separately? Just build the drone yourself? What did I choose? You'll learn that in the following video. So put likes, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Bye. Yeah.